so many questions I am receiving through multiple channels. Swamiji, many from our devotees, Swamiji, we know you will win in this whole attack. As you always proved you are innocent and won in all the earlier attacks, you will win in this attack also, we know. But how are you able to digest? I tell you, one thing, just listen. If any of you feel, especially my devotees, if you feel I have a stamina, strength to digest all this kind of hate speech, lawfare, everything. Of course, I think even people who have enmity towards me non-controversially accept that I have a stamina to withstand any of this kind of abuses, attacks. Listen. If you feel I have that stamina, if you want to know the secret of that stamina, I'll tell you simple. Very simple. Too simple. Stop eating. Whenever life need to be digested, stop dumping food in the tummy. Understand, life is not digested in the head. Life is digested in the stomach. Learn the truth. Life is created in the stomach, sustained in the stomach. Only thought currents are experienced in the brain. Strategies are done in the brain. But life itself is digested in the stomach. Whenever you are needed to digest life happening around you, just stop dumping food in your stomach and treat your stomach like a Havankunta, Yangyakunta, Homakunta. Treat it like Havan Kunta, Yangyakunta, Homakunta. It need to digest life now. Don't dump food. Don't dump solid food. At the most, offer some liquid. I'll strongly recommend these two items, castor oil, haritaki powder. If you have strength and you don't bother about your tongue taste and all that, even add neem juice. I am not saying you should drink liters and liters. Just 100 ml neem juice, neem leaf. Make it as juice. You can dilute it into half a liter water, no problem. Just from morning till night, 3-4 sip. Understand? Same way castor oil. 3-4 teaspoon. Maybe morning 1 teaspoon. Night when you, before going to sleep, 1 teaspoon. Please be very clear. Your experiences about life is as real as the solid food you eat. Don't think the life happening around you are just mental, psychological, and the food in your plate is solid, physical. No. Both are in same reality. When you are needed to digest that life happening around you, stop dumping food on your stomach. Understand? the Jataragni in your navel, in your Manipuraga, Jataragni in your Manipuraga digests life and food. When the Jataragni is dumped, overloaded, that is when the Jataragni is not able to finish, complete its responsibility, you feel depression. Depression is nothing but Jataragni overloaded. So, whenever you need to digest life, things happening around you, stop eating and support, encourage the digestion process in your navel in a very traditional way. Listen, listen. All of you need to understand this truth. If you are my disciple and you are already convinced, you cognize, I tell only the truth and I do only good work, I will do only good to you. If you are already cognizing and convinced about me, start taking this as an instruction and follow. Whenever life is too much overwhelming, good or bad, stop eating. Do not dump food, solid food on your stomach. Use the items which encourages the fire in your navel, more liquid. If you can bring it to zero solid food, it will be great. If not, at least cut down 90%. Please understand, I am giving you exact secrets of how to make you a different metal altogether. Anybody want to be a leader in any field? Listen carefully. Anybody want to be a leader in any field has to face anger, jealousy, conspiracy, many traitors, every kind of person in life. See, when somebody steals from a house, he does not want to get caught how much he has stolen, what all he has stolen. So he just want to destroy the whole house. Put the fire after stealing. Put the fire so there's no evidence left. Try to destroy the whole house so nobody will catch him. How much he has stolen and what all he has stolen. Understand? The destroyers, demons, rakshasas, has to be faced if we have to win the game. Of course, Kalabhairava is protecting me and the Sangha. Paramashiva's blessings are there with me and Sangha, and Kalabhairava is protecting me and the Sangha. Anyhow, we will win. We are winning. With the grace of Kalabhairava, we won. Understand? Attacks, abuses, strategies, all that is one. How you can make yourself a different metal altogether. This is the method, simple, straightforward technique. For the stomach, be very clear. Stomach, stop supplying food during the time you needed to digest life. You need to know visualizations, verbalizations. Listen carefully. Visuals and words which hits your core, gets dumped in your stomach. That is when life is overwhelming. I am telling you the signs of exactly how things happen inside, deep inside the muscle memory and biomemory of the stomach. Listen. In muscle memory of the stomach, the digestion of the physical food happens. In biomemory of the stomach, digestion of the life happens. Physically, when you dump too much of food, the muscle memory gets overwhelmed. Too much of happening, good or bad, when it is dumped in your reality, the biomemory of the stomach gets overloaded. Listen, one good thing, the bioenergy supplied to biomemory becomes more when you don't put any load on muscle memory of the stomach. Understand this logic? Bioenergy, Kundalini Shakti, its supply to biomemory becomes more if there is no load on muscle memory. The load on muscle memory is the solid food you dump. And the load on biomemory is the life reality happening around you. So, cut the food. Just stop eating. Start living on liquid whenever you have too much to be faced, to be digested, to be handled. I tell you, this one has successfully helped me. Literally, last 30 years.